Good day, Icky here again. It is the 1st of June, I do believe. Yeah, and the pen is getting crowded. Yeah. Anyways, yesterday I moved all the meat birds outside along with some of the Easter egger chicks. It was stupid hot. I was worried if I left them in their coop, they would overheat and die, so I moved them out. Um, Took them a while to adjust. Um, the meat birds. Um, I believe in the U.S. they would call them Cornish cross. Everything I've read says you can fence them in with a 12-inch high fence because all they do is lie down and hang around the feeder and eat. I am not feeding them commercial grower mix. I've used it many times in the past. They grow really quicker than these guys are growing, but I've experienced very high mortality. I'm feeding them, well, right now, layer mash because they're in here with the laying hens, but was mixing up my own mix. They're growing. I've lost absolutely none. And my fence. It's 6 feet tall. And yeah, I had an awful time with these meat birds, the Cornish cross. They're flying over it. Yeah, they're healthy. Geese are settling in, yada, yada, yada. Anyways, that's about all that's new and exciting. It's been raining here off and on all day, so not getting a lot accomplished, but it's been an enjoyable day. Back at you later. It's the journey, not the destination. Icky it for now.